ليس على الضعفاء ولا على المرضى ولا على الذين لا يجدون ما ينفقون حرج إذا نصحوا لله ورسوله ما على المحسنين من سبيل والله غفور رحيم.
There is no blame on the weak, nor on the sick, nor on those who have nothing to enable them to join the struggle in the way of Allah, if they stay behind, provided that they are sincere to Allah and to His Messenger. There is no cause for reproach against those who do good. Allah is all forgiving, ever merciful.
ولا على الذين إذا ما أتوك لتحملهم قلت لا أجد ما أحملكم عليه تولوا وأعينهم تفيض من الدمع حزنا ألا يجدوا ما ينفقون.
Nor can there be any cause for reproach against those who, when they came to you asking for mounts to go to the battlefront, and when you said that you had no mounts for them, they went back, their eyes overflowing with tears, grieving that they had no resources to enable them to take part in fighting.
إنما السبيل على الذين يستأذنونك وهم أغنياء رضوا بأن يكونوا مع الخوالف وطبع الله على قلوبهم فهم لا يعلمون.
But there are grounds for reproach against those who seek leave to stay behind, even though they are affluent. They are the ones who are content to be with the womenfolk who stay behind. Allah has set a seal on their hearts, leaving them bereft of understanding.
يعتذرون إليكم إذا رجعتم إليهم قل لا تعتذروا لن نؤمن لكم قد نبأنا الله من أخباركم وسيرى الله عملكم ورسوله ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
They will put up excuses before you when you return to them. Tell them, make no excuses. We will not believe you. Allah has already informed us of the truth about you. Allah will observe your conduct, and so will His Messenger. Then you will be brought back to Him, who knows alike what lies beyond perception and what lies in the range of perception, and will let you know what you've done.
سيحلفون بالله لكم إذا انقلبتم إليهم لتعرضوا عنهم فأعرضوا عنهم إنهم رجس ومأواهم جهنم جزاء بما كانوا يكسبون.
When you return to them, they will surely swear to you in the name of Allah that you may leave them alone. So do leave them alone. They are unclean. Hell shall be their home, a recompense for what they did.
يحلفون لكم لترضوا عنهم فإن ترضوا عنهم فإن الله لا يرضى عن القوم الفاسقين.
They will swear to you in order to please you. But even if you become pleased with them, Allah will not be pleased with such an evil-doing folk.
الأعراب أشد كفرا ونفاقا وأجدر ألا يعلموا حدود ما أنزل الله على رسوله والله عليم حكيم.
The Bedouin Arabs surpass all in unbelief and hypocrisy, and are most likely to be unaware of the limits prescribed by Allah in what He has revealed to His Messenger. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
ومن الأعراب من يتخذ ما ينفق مغرما ويتربص بكم الدوائر عليهم دائرة السوء والله سميع عليم.
And among the Bedouin Arabs there are such as regard whatever they spend in the way of Allah as a fine and wait for some misfortune to befall you. May ill fortune befall them. Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
ومن الأعراب من يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر ويتخذ ما ينفق قربات عند الله وصلوات الرسول ألا إنها قربة لهم سيدخلهم الله في رحمته إن الله غفور رحيم.
And among the Bedouin Arabs are those who believe in Allah and the Last Day and regard their spending in the way of Allah as a means of drawing near to Allah and of deserving the prayers of the Messenger. Indeed, this shall be a means of drawing near to Allah. Allah will surely admit them to His mercy. Allah is all forgiving, ever merciful.
والسابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه وأعد لهم جنات تجري تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم.
And of those who led the way, the first of the immigrants, Muhajirun, and the helpers, Ansar, and those who followed them in the best possible manner, Allah is well pleased with them, and they are well pleased with Allah. He has prepared for them gardens beneath which rivers flow. Therein they will abide forever. That is the supreme triumph.
وممن حولكم من الأعراب منافقون ومن أهل المدينة مردوا على النفاق لا تعلمهم نحن نعلمهم سنعذبهم مرتين ثم يردون إلى عذاب عظيم.
As for the Bedouin Arabs around you, some are hypocrites, and so are some of the people of Medina who have become inured to hypocrisy. You do not know them, but we know them. We will inflict double chastisement on them, and then they shall be returned to an awesome suffering.
وآخرون اعترفوا بذنوبهم خلطوا عملا صالحا وآخر سيئا عسى الله أن يتوب عليهم إن الله غفور رحيم.
There are others who have confessed their faults. They intermixed their good deeds with evil. It is likely that Allah will turn to them in mercy, for Allah is all forgiving, ever merciful.
خذ من أموالهم صدقة تطهرهم وتزكيهم بها وصل عليهم إن صلاتك سكن لهم والله سميع عليم.
O Prophet, take alms out of their riches and thereby cleanse them and bring about their growth in righteousness and pray for them. Indeed, your prayer is a source of tranquility for them. Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
ألم يعلموا أن الله هو يقبل التوبة عن عباده ويأخذ الصدقات وأن الله هو التواب الرحيم.
Are they not aware that it is Allah who accepts the repentance of His servants and accepts their alms, and that it is Allah who is oft relenting, ever merciful?
وقل اعملوا فسيرى الله عملكم ورسوله والمؤمنون وستردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
And tell them, O Prophet, keep working. Allah will behold your works, and so will His Messenger, and the believers, and you shall be brought back to Him, who knows that which is beyond the reach of perception, and that which is within the reach of perception. He will then declare to you all that you have been doing.
وآخرون مرجون لأمر الله إما يعذبهم وإما يتوب عليهم والله عليم حكيم.
There are others in whose regard Allah's decree is awaited, whether He will chastise them or relent towards them. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
والذين اتخذوا مسجدا ضرارا وكفرا وتفريقا بين المؤمنين وإرصادا لمن حارب الله ورسوله من قبل وليحلفن إن أردنا إلا الحسنى والله يشهد إنهم لكاذبون.
Then there are others who have set up a mosque to hurt the true faith, to promote unbelief and cause division among believers, and as an ambush for one who had earlier made war on Allah and His Messenger. They will surely swear, "We intended nothing but good," whereas Allah bears witness that they are liars.
لا تقم فيه أبدا لمسجد أسس على التقوى من أول يوم أحق أن تقوم فيه رجال يحبون أن يتطهروا والله يحب المطهرين.
Never stand therein. Surely a mosque founded from the first day on piety is more worthy that you should stand in it for prayer. In it are people who love to purify themselves, and Allah loves those that purify themselves.
أفمن أسس بنيانه على تقوى من الله ورضوان خير أم من أسس بنيانه على شفا جرف هار فانهار به في نار جهنم والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
Is he then who has erected his structure on the fear of Allah and his good pleasure better, or he who erects his structure on the brink of a crumbling bank so that it crumbles down with him into the hell fire? Allah does not bestow His guidance on the wrongdoing folk.
لا يزال بنيانهم الذي بنوا ريبة في قلوبهم إلا أن تقطع قلوبهم والله عليم حكيم.
and the structure which they have erected will ever inspire their hearts with doubts, unless it be that their very hearts are cut into pieces. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.